Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Okay, so this is the second session for BPT, but we work on different stuff that we did not work on yesterday. So the other day, we worked on past trauma that you had with certain abuse and stuff like that.
Right.
And today, do you feel you need to revisit those, or you feel like those are
I feel like I've released those.
you release those? And it's very common after doing the BPT that the second session, and I usually let patient know that you're gonna remember stuff that happened that you were not aware of. So we will work on it in the following session. So this session, you have a list. We're not going to show it to you, but this list is it's different than yesterday.
Right.
So you don't feel we need to revisit yesterday's visit.
No.
So this is a new list, and it's very common that patient comes and say, "Did you remember this yesterday?"
No.
Okay. So it's basically like cleaning your house. There's muds everywhere, and the first session it's basically cleaning the big mud stuff or very obvious stuff. And after you cleaning that, the next day you start to notice, oh, I missed those few spot. And that's very common with our amygdala. Hiding the stuff that's not significant compared to the big one. Okay, so I want you to think about this, and we're going to take your vitals, and we'll work on it today. When you think about this event or this feeling, how much stress you feel from 0 to 10?
Maybe a 7 or 8.
7 or 8, okay. And if I ask you to rate what you felt, like how you feel about what we worked on yesterday, the other day, the other trauma, from 0 to 10?
I just feel neutral.
Neutral, 0 to 10?
Right. Probably 0 almost.
Okay. So that's very common. We worked on the stuff that we worked on. She has carryover of not having those anxiety and feeling with it, so it's a 0. And it's very common. The first day it was 9, and then after the session went down to 3, and it's very common to expect that to be 0 the next day, so the body clear up. But you start to remember other stuff. The good news is actually when you look at your vitals, yesterday, because the stuff we worked on was more significant, your heart rate was 142 that you're starting. This is not as significant, so your heart rate is 126 over 62. Okay, so we're gonna start the BPT session, and I'm using MagnaHeal Pro over the forehead to stimulate brain activity while patient is doing the exercise. Okay, so we can start now, and just let me know when you finish with the first word, please. Okay, I want you to imagine that you are in a gray room. There's only 3 things in that room, just you and black paper boxes of all the emotion you have, fears or anxiety or guilt or any emotion that bother you or event that bother you, and a fire in front of you. You just need to grab each of the black paper boxes and throw it in the fire, and don't move to the next box until you see the first box was totally burned and disappeared. So how is your stress level now from 0 to 10 when you think about it?
0.
Okay, so we started with 8, 7, out of 10. And now we're going to take the blood pressure to see how internally her body is responding. When we stress under anxiety or any emotional turmoil, usually the heart rate and blood pressure increase. That's a sign of the fight-flight effect on the body. When we are relaxed, the blood pressure, the heart rate start to be normal. 52, your heart rate went down. How do you feel from 0 to 10? And what do you think about, if I ask you to think about the stuff you worked on? Because yesterday you mentioned to me that you were reliving it.
Right.
You had anxiety and you had those thoughts that was lingering 3 times yesterday with a lot of tension in your body. So if I ask you now, after doing the BPT, what do you feel?
I feel very relaxed,
Okay.
calm.
Okay. Do you feel those emotions past or present now? Okay. And yesterday when it came to you, it was past or present?
No, I was very present. I
Very
was almost
present.
going to it again.
Yeah. That's very common. So with PTSD, the patient usually feel the event reliving it as a present, even though the event does not exist, but the mind is thinking it's a present. When we have a closure to the traumatic event or the emotion, the brain, the part of the brain that's logic, they start to think that was happening in the past. It was a past story. So what do you think about the treatment?
I think it was wonderful. I just feel so, and even in the end, I was just seeing this beautiful, this is great, magenta color. I mean, just like,
Relax.
yeah,
So you get euphoric feeling today too?
yes.
Okay, so it's very common after the BPT treatment to feel like happiness, overwhelmed joy,
Yeah.
and that's a very good sign that the patient starts to let it go of the past and be present. Thank you. Awesome.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.